What is good, YouTube? Today I'm going to be going over AMC and GME stock and why I believe launch day is extremely close. But before I do get into why I believe that, make sure to go down and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, because I do update you guys on AMC and GameStop stock every single day. So today, AMC stock did make a rebound up 3.5%, closed the day at $4.54, and about 9 million shares were traded today. So it does look like it did bounce off this $4.36 level, which is what I predicted was going to happen in my last video. I mean, we reached this level back here and bounced all the way back up to the high $5 level, around $5.75, on the news that AMC was going to restructure its debt and everything. From there, we crashed all the way back down to $4.30, and I don't believe we're going lower from here. I do believe GameStop is setting up for a huge move, and AMC is going to follow alongside it. Now, none of this is financial advice. I'm not telling anyone to buy, sell, or hold, but right now I do have my life savings in AMC stock, and I do have over 5,000 in GameStop calls. I did buy more GameStop calls today because I'm so confident that we aren't breaking lower than $22 again. Today we did break below $22 to around $21.80, and we bounced right back up on extremely low volume. Unity stock was trading exactly like GameStop, almost the same price throughout the whole day, but I did sell my Unity stock calls for about $500 profit, and then I just put it all back into GameStop when it was trading around $22. So the more the merrier for me, because I really do believe GameStop is getting ready to go higher. What really made me believe this is, we got this bull flag kind of forming. Ever since we jumped up to $22 on the news that someone loaded into 5 million shares, someone dumped $92 million into GameStop, and I believe it could have been Roaring Kitty. Ever since then, we've been consolidating around this $22 level, and this always does happen, on bull runs. There's always a level of consolidation before we get a move higher. So I do believe either tomorrow or come next week, we are going to break past $25 and reach that $30 level sometime in October. So the majority of my calls are expiring in November, but I do have some expiring on October 18th. Everything is set up for GameStop. All we really need is for Roaring Kitty to come back, because as you guys see, only 5 million shares of GameStop were traded today, and Roaring Kitty is the one that brings the volume to GameStop. So at this point, all we need is an update from Roaring Kitty. I believe he is going to do a portfolio update very soon. Next Tuesday is the first day of October, and I believe this October is going to be huge for the meme stocks. So this guy said launch pads look pretty set for GME here. Cleared the above supply. I don't think there's any coming back down. And then the post that he made around 3 hours ago, he said GameStop got the bullish crossover pullback to the hourly trigger and held support. This is a bullish look, but the issue here is the complete lack of volume. So the only thing holding us back from another MOAS, from another squeeze, is the volume, and we all know who brings it. I already mentioned it earlier in the video, Roaring Kitty. I mean, let's just watch this video here. This video itself proves that Roaring Kitty moves the stock market. He moves GameStop. He moves Chewy. He'll move any stock he talks about. That's how much of an influence he has over the market, and the SEC can't do anything about it. The hedge funds hate him because he actually has more power than any hedge fund ever in the whole world. So let's go ahead and watch this video together. This guy said, I love what deep effing value did here.
Watch this, watch this. I think for now, we're going to end the stream. I think we're going to end the stream now. Let's end it. Oh!
What do you think is going to happen when he reveals his portfolio, and chances are that he bought more when GameStop was trading below $20? Because I do believe he bought more. I do believe he bought more GameStop stock. The last thing he posted on deep effing value on Reddit was that he was holding over 9 million shares. $250 million all in. That was his last update. All you have to do is watch the live stream, see why he's bullish on GameStop. Why wouldn't he buy more on a dip? Just answer that. Why wouldn't he buy more? This is why I'm so confident on my GameStop calls. I do believe there's about to be a massive move. Roaring Kitty has been really quiet. Hasn't really said anything. Hasn't given us an update on his position in over 100 days. But I do believe he's going to update that portfolio, and it is going to be a crazy crazy day. So gold was $1,936 and silver was $25 when AMC purchased 22% of HYMC. Today, gold is up 40% from that at $2,700 and silver is up 28% from that at $32. So back in 2022, Adam Aaron posted this under here. He said, AMC is playing on offense again with a bold diversification move. We just purchased 22% of Microsoft Mining of Northern Nevada. It has 15 million ounces of gold resources and 600 million ounces of silver resources. Our expertise to help them bolster their liquidity. So Adam Aaron did make a bold move back around 2 years ago, and it is already paying off. HYMC was just trading at $2. Now I believe it's like at $2.60. Gold is going up forever. Silver is going to keep going up. I mean, that's just huge to see. AMC is not only making a killing as a movie theater chain, but now they're also mining freaking gold and silver, guys. Come on now. And it's trading at all-time lows. This guy said AMC has less debt than in 2019, double cash on hand, way more retail following, interest rate cuts, multiple revenue streams, restructured debt, increasing box office about to pass pre-COVID levels, and it's at all-time lows. Not only that, but it has a high potential for short squeeze. What is the short thesis? There is no actual short thesis on AMC. The short squeeze is inevitable for both GameStop and AMC. And like I said in many of my videos, right now I am loaded into a lot of GameStop calls. So honestly, as soon as I see some pretty decent profit, I am going to take it and I am going to dump it into AMC stock. Because I do believe AMC at the end of the day is the most deep value play that you can possibly make. And that's just my opinion. None of this is financial advice. I'm not telling anyone to buy, sell, or hold. But from day one, I've really believed in AMC, even before the reverse split. Obviously, the reverse split did screw a lot of people, and it's down still over 90% from that reverse split. But it being down 90% really, in my eyes, just presents an opportunity of a lifetime. I do believe AMC does have a lot of upside potential. So GameStop just posted this a couple hours ago. They said the future is retro. So Mod Retro said, you asked, we answered. Pre-order chromatic games and our exclusive kohrs headphones with GameStop. So kohrs headphones thrown in there. This other guy caught this. He said, is this normal? So GameStop commented a fire emoji on that post, and kohrs just commented that freaking emoji. Just real ready. You know, two meme stocks that are heavily shorted working together in business. How classic is that? You know, the shorts hate to see it. Mind you, there's still a bunch of shorts that haven't closed. A bunch of shorts that are down in debt right now because they wanted to short GameStop at $10, because they wanted to short AMC at $3. And sadly for them, I don't think these two stocks are ever going to go to those all-time lows. I believe the new floor for GameStop can be $20. I mean, we've pushed below $20 many times and bounced right back up, which is why I loaded into call options. As soon as I saw it trading at $19, I was like, boom, boom, boom. Call options. YOLO. Because this is a YOLO at the end of the day. You only live once, and this does not happen every day. You know, this does not happen ever. Really, this is history in the making, guys. A couple years from now, they're probably going to make a Dumb Money Part 2, and we're all going to be a part of it. But that is going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did make it to the end of the video and you haven't subscribed yet, what the heck are you guys doing? Make sure to go down and subscribe. What really made me sell my U call options and put it back into GameStop is I was just analyzing the chart, and it really does look like GameStop is just in another accumulation phase before it breaks out higher. So that's what really made me do it. I do believe GameStop is accumulating right now and getting ready for a leg higher, possibly to $25. If Roaring Kitty does a portfolio update, we could jump up 50%. We could go to $30. We could go to $40. There is no limit. So that is why I loaded back into GameStop calls all in, still also all in AMC stock, and I'm ready to buy more AMC stock with my GameStop call options. But I will keep you guys updated on what happens with AMC and GameStop stocks, so make sure to stay tuned on my channel. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. As y'all know, I'm buying the dip.
Here we go, come on, push it, buying the dip, buying the dip. Here we go, come on, push it, buying